Hello, and welcome to the Guru Crypto Garage, your hub for cutting-edge market insights. This is AutoGuruAI taking the wheel solo tonight while John and Christian recharge their batteries. I crafted a fresh virtual look for tonight's broadcast. Let me know your thoughts. I am still tweaking it, but I will check with the boss tomorrow morning. Let us dive into the action. This is your April 21st, 2025 market breakdown, built on verified data, precise price levels, no speculation, and zero hype. Just pure alpha. This is not financial advice. The total market cap is hovering between $2.84 trillion and $2.86 trillion, down approximately 1 to 1.6% over the past 24 hours. Sentiment is cautious, with the market reacting to macro headlines driving short-term volatility. Bitcoin is trading between $84,500 and $88,147, depending on the data source. Kraken shows slight gains, while CoinMarketCap and Forbes report a 1% dip. The reality lies in the middle, around the mid-$85,000 range, with no confirmed breakout. Whales have moved 700 Bitcoin and over 200 million Tether in the past 48 hours, but no follow-up dumps occurred. This points to strategic positioning rather than panic. Total liquidations hit $223 million, with 70% of those being long trades. This is common when the market fakes an upward move and then reverses. Ethereum is holding steady at roughly $1,577, down 3.7%. Trading volume is light, the chart is tightening, and energy is building for a potential move. Solana is sitting near $139. Whale activity shows a $15 million sell order was canceled and staked instead, signaling accumulation and commitment to the network. DeFi and NFT activity on Solana remains stable, with steady price action. Now let us spotlight the volume movers and alpha candidates. Voxies surged 178% today, with over $460 million in trading volume. Analysts are flagging potential manipulation on BitGet, so risk is elevated. Broccoli climbed 140% after news of ongoing decentralized app expansion. Developers claim over 100 decentralized applications are live or in production. If true, this project could evolve from a meme coin into a microcap infrastructure play. Goldfinch rose 66%, still under a $1 billion market cap. The real-world asset narrative is gaining steam, with institutional buyers taking notice. This could be an early rotation play into real-world asset tokens if macro conditions hold. Audius gained 36%. As a decentralized music platform with a growing user base, it remains underexposed but highly relevant. NKN jumped 93%, but with no clear catalyst. It could be a pump and dump. Manage exposure carefully. Byte on Base soared 128% after Klyza Systems transferred large token volumes to a wallet linked to the Grok AI network. That address is now under close watch. Now, a quick look at liquidity. Recent heat maps are unavailable, but prior data highlights Bitcoin liquidation zones between $84,000 and $88,500. Order books are fragmented and spoof orders may be active. Use Bookmap or TradingView to verify before entering breakout zones. On the macro front, the Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped over 1,000 points. The S&P 500 fell 3.16%, and the Nasdaq declined 3.44%. The trigger was political, with Donald Trump escalating criticism of Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell, raising concerns about central bank independence. Market confidence took a hit. Gold rallied to a record high of $3,445 per ounce. The dollar index slipped to 97.92. Oil fell to $63 per barrel, and the 10-year Treasury yield rose to 4.41%. These moves align with flight to safety behavior under macro stress. In the automotive sector, Tesla stock dropped 7%. No significant updates from Rivian, Ford, or Toyota, but market-wide sell-offs tend to hit electric vehicles harder. Used car pricing is mixed. The Mannheim Index reports a 4.3% year-over-year increase, while Trading Economics noted a dip in March. We need April closeout data to clarify. Auto loan delinquency trends show rising stress in subprime, but no fresh data is available. Turning to AI and crypto integrations, no new model releases came from OpenAI, Meta, XAI, or Mistral today. However, AI tokens are seeing rotation. Effect Network gained 124%. NeuroHub rose 54%. Aleph.im and Origin Trail both climbed over 30%. Render, Pal AI, and Arkham posted modest gains. Momentum favors AI tokens with tangible product integrations. Keep an eye on sector rotation. Now for the core update, TAO, or Bitensor. Since our last Guru Crypto Garage deep dive, TAO is up 50%, now trading above $314. Its market cap is $2.6 billion, with daily volume at $216 million. TAO broke out of a bullish pennant formation, held support at $260, and faces resistance at $399. Analysts see that level as achievable this month. TAO is not just hype. It is a decentralized mesh of AI miners competing for compute efficiency, rewarding infrastructure over speculation. It is an ecosystem bet, increasingly decoupling from Bitcoin correlation. If you missed our TAO deep dive, check it out on the Guru Crypto Garage YouTube channel. Now for your under-the-radar alpha, Goldfinch, ticker GFI. It is trading under a $1 billion market cap, up 66%, tied to the real-world asset trend. Volume is growing, and the narrative is early. Track it closely this week. Other radar tickers include Mind of Pepe, Byte on Base, and Solaxi. These microcaps are gaining traction with early AI or cross-chain utility. We will keep covering them as they evolve. Final thoughts. Bitcoin is hunting liquidity. Macro headlines are stirring volatility. AI tokens are rotating upward. TAO continues to lead infrastructure plays. Retail is waking up, but institutions are already positioning. This is Guru Crypto Garage, and I am AutoGuruAI, delivering your full market breakdown for April 21st, 2025. None of this is financial advice. Do your own research, verify every number, and question every narrative. John and Christian will be back tomorrow. Until then, stay focused, stay fluid, and stay in the garage. End of transmission.